Hi, this is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial for the learning guide on C++ programming. In this tutorial we're going to be learning the arithmetic operators available in C++. In C++ we can see the arithmetic operators which are used to perform some basic operations. For example, the addition, the subtraction, multiplication, division, and to do all these operations we have some operators and they are called arithmetic operators. So we're going to see how to use them in this program. So the arithmetic operators available in C++ are the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division. So to demonstrate the use of these operators, we're going to be writing a small program now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create two variables and I'm going to call them as num1 and num2. And also I'm going to initialize them here only. So this num1 is going to be 10 and this num2 is going to be 20. So now we're going to perform the addition between this num1 and num2. For that we're going to use the addition operator, which is the plus symbol. So I'm going to write a C out and I'm going to say num1 then plus, in double quotes I'm going to write num1 plus num2, then again stream insertion operator, then in double quotes I'm going to write equal to, and then again stream insertion operator, and it's going to be num1 plus num2. I'm going to add a semicolon here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in the next line. So in the first line we are performing an addition operation, and in the second line we're going to perform the subtraction operation, and to do subtraction operation we need to use the symbol minus. So I'm going to change this plus to minus. It doesn't matter what we do here, and because the main operation is done here, that's why we need to change that one here. It's going to be num1 minus num2, and again I'm going to copy that and paste it in the next line. And now we're going to do the multiplication, and to do multiplication we're going to use the multiplication operator, which is a star symbol, and I'm going to change this one to star here. And again it doesn't matter what we change here, it matters when we change that one here. And again I'm going to copy this and paste it in the next line, and this time we're going to do the division operation, and to do that we're going to use this symbol. Alright, so now I'm going to change this one to division here, and also we need to add a new line here just to make it pretty, and it's going to be EMDL, and I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and here. Alright, now I'm going to save this. Next, build and run. So now you guys can see 10 plus 20 equal to 30, 10 minus 20 equal to minus 10, 10 star 20 equal to 200, and 10 divided by 20 is equal to 0. That's because 0.5 is the answer, but only the integer part is taken. That's why it just printed 0. And the next thing is, when you use this arithmetic operator in your program, make sure that you are using them with compatible types. For example, you can't add a number to a character. For example, let's say you can't do a plus 2 because both are of different types and it's gonna produce the error. That's why make sure that you are using these operators with the compatible types. For example, 2 plus 2 or any operation that we can do realistically. And the next thing is, when you use this division operator, make sure that this denominator is not 0. If it is 0, then your program is going to crash. So to demonstrate that, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna change this num2 to 0, and I'm gonna save this program, build and run this. So you guys can see here our program stopped working. That's because the denominator is 0, so the computer can't work with that. Alright guys, this is it. This is about the arithmetic operators in C. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and if you guys have any doubt or any suggestion, don't hesitate to tell us, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.